Welcome to Boolean Search for RNs, Beginner to Pro, Part 1. This video is for healthcare recruiters aiming to increase submissions. Please note this content is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm Shivani, and I help healthcare recruiters become more confident, effective, and better at U.S. staffing. Today, we'll simplify Boolean search with practical strategies and no unnecessary theory. If you are still typing basic phrases like ICU nurse resume into job board search bars, you are definitely missing out on placements. I will show you how to use Boolean search properly for RNs. Mastering this leads to more submissions. What is Boolean search? It's using operators to control search results. The 5 essential tools you must know are AND, OR, NOT, quotation marks, and parentheses. Your search will be weak without these. The OR operator expands your search. For example, RNOR registered nurse captures variations like RN. Always consider all possible ways a candidate might list their title. It narrows your search. Using a combination like RNOR registered nurse and ICU ensures you get registered nurses with ICU experience and is key for adding precision to your search. Quotation marks are for exact phrase searching. For example, intensive care unit searches that precise phrase. This is crucial for certifications like advanced cardiac life support, where precision matters. NOT removes unwanted profiles. For instance, adding NOT, CNAORLPN, removes nursing assistants and practical nurses from your results. This is a huge time saver. Here is a beginner ICU search string that uses structured sourcing. Line 1 defines the role, Line 2 the specialty, Line 3 certifications, and Line 4 exclusions. This structure ensures a precise search. Common beginner mistakes include overfiltering, forgetting synonyms, not adjusting the string per job board, and blindly copy-pasting. Remember, your Boolean search must align with the job description. Mastering basic Boolean search will double your sourcing efficiency, reduce irrelevant resumes, and save hours of manual filtering. Strong sourcing directly leads to more placement. Thank you for watching. If you would like Part 2, covering advanced strategies, please let us know.